Hey, so one of the things that in solar we do often prior to installing the solar is removing a roof if you need to. The advantage is that you do get the credit, the ITC credit will be applied to whatever section of roof you're doing. That's regarding for the solar as well. As you can see, they're just pulling everything off, the comp shingle, the existing roof off now. They'll be putting the roof back on later in the day, and then we'll be starting the solar install. In fact, what we're going to do now is install the stanchions or the bases while the roof is off, because that just makes it easier. They've torn off this section of roof already, and they've started putting down the underlayment. See a roll of it there on the right hand side. The underlayment is what's really the important part of keeping a roof watertight. The shingle goes on top of it, of course that helps, but particularly tiles, they're just cosmetic. It's the underlayments that's the important part. But we are getting the roof cleared now. We're going to be installing the panels down here. We're just laying out where exactly the panels are going to go before putting in the stanchions, and I'll show you how that's done. He's just drilling through to the rafter underneath now and marking it, and then this roof where the other solar panels are going to go is, as you see, completely cleared now, ready for us to do what we're doing on that other section. We've got the roof cleared and the base is in. Even started putting the paper down. The underlayment has started to go down already, and this is the other section of roof that we've just finishing off preparing now with the bases. After that, that whirlybird is going to be replaced by an O'Hagan, so we can put panels all the way across there. Okay, we're about ready to get going here.